Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to Rachel for being the first in the notification family. Thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my protein mask. Let's jump straight into the video. So I'm going to give you guys a few ideas on the types of hair masks that you can do, or the ingredients that you can use for a hair mask. You can use really anything that you require, anything that you desire. All of the products that I'm going to mention can be found at home, so you can really mix and DIY this according to what's available in your house. So some of the products that you can use are extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil can be used also in hot oil treatments, but it's a really good source of protein, as well as mayonnaise without any other stuff. That just proper organic mayonnaise can be used in the hair as well. Greek yogurt, don't use Greek yogurt with fruits and stuff in it. This is all I had handy, so this is what I'm showing you, but it's organic proper Greek yogurt without any fruits or chunks in it. Eggs are really good source of protein for your hair. Egg masks are really good. People have been doing egg masks for centuries on their hair. Honey also is a really good source of protein that can be used. With honey, you just got to make sure that you really wash out your hair, so those of us who live in summer places don't get ants in our hair. Avocados are really rich in natural oils and protein. They are a really great solid product to be using in your hair mask, as well as bananas. And then lastly, aloe vera. Aloe vera has a lot of vitamins and minerals, but also it has protein in it. So it's a really good add-on if you have it at home or if you have it available. So in my protein mask for today, I'm going to be using an egg, and I'm going to crack that egg and just take the most protein-rich part of the egg, which is actually the egg white. And then I'm going to put some olive oil in mine, just a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of honey. I actually ended up using a little bit less honey than a tablespoon, but the honey is really good for just sort of neutralizing the smell of the egg. It gives it this really beautiful honey smell when you put it in your hair, and after, once you rinse it out as well. Then I'm going to cut up my avocado. Avocados are really expensive in Australia, so I was trying to save as much avocado as I can, but I ended up using half of the avocado, which really hurt my spirit, but you know, it is what it is. I did end up eating the other half, and it was delicious. So after I've gone and put the avocado in, I'm going to begin mashing the entire concoction together. This does take a while. You have to have some patience and figure out what you can do to really help. I ended up finding this sieve, this mini sieve, a tea sieve, to help just separate the bits of avocado. The more chunky your hair mask is, the harder it will be to wash out all the little chunky bits, especially when you have a tighter curl. Once your hair, begins to shrink and stuff, all those little bits of avocado will start getting caught in your curls, and you'll find 2 days later that you have an avocado that's been hiding in some of your curls. Then also I'm going to add my aloe vera into mine. Aloe vera is a great hydrator, great vitamins, great minerals, and great protein as well. So I'm going to use the sieve again to help break down the aloe vera, to start getting all those little slimy juices out there, making sure that I do not get the aloe vera chunks into the hair mask. I did end up getting a few in there, which you'll see at the end of the video, that are stuck in my hair, but try your best to make sure that you don't get any aloe vera chunks in there. Once I've done that, I'm gonna mix it all together and then put it in my little Ziploc bag. So for the application process, I'm gonna start on damp hair. You can actually do this as a pre-poo, or you can do it as a deep conditioner, whatever you want to do. I did it as a pre-poo, so I put the mask on before my shampoo. So I went in and cut the little side of the bag, and then I'm going to distribute the hair mask onto my hair. So this is what I meant by cutting it and by easier application. You have a bit more control over what you're doing when you have it in this baggy situation. You can also use your applicator comb. You guys have seen me use my applicator comb before, but I wanted to give you guys an alternative method that you can use if you don't have an applicator comb handy. So this is another method that you can use to put your products in a plastic bag or in a Ziploc bag and just cut the tip so that you can actually have control over where you're applying the products. I personally prefer to do protein masks a lot more when we're in winter. So when I'm applying this mask, because my hair is in 2-strand twists, I make sure that I really apply it and then squeeze it into the hair. So I sort of squeeze my hair. This is why it's important for your hair to be damp anyway. And then once I have gone and applied that and make sure that everything is really coated as well, I'm going to add my little hair cap or your plastic bag. And then I'm going to allow the hair to sit for about an hour. You can do 2 hours, 3 hours, however you want to do. So after I have done that, I'm going to go and wash out my hair with some shampoo. If you guys want to know about my wash day routine, I'm going to link it up in the card. So this is what my hair is looking like after a shampoo. As I was talking about the aloe vera chunks, there they are, but it was only a little bit. But this is why it's important to make sure that there's no chunks. This is what my hair is currently looking like. It's looking really, really healthy, and I was really, really happy with the results. When you're washing your hair, you really need to make sure that you allow your hair to get really wet so that the water can actually remove all the masks from the 2-strand twists. If you're really worried, you can undo all your 2-strand twists so that you can wash your hair, but who's got time for that? So I went through and redid my twist while my hair was wet, and also did my lock method. This can be seen in the previous video. I'm going to link it up in the card. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys have liked this video. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts and like if you like the video. I'll see you guys next week. I love you guys so much. Mwah.